Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. Now, the tip today is about how to correct a mistake. I made this card recently. You'll be able to see it in the YouTube video list for the quick cards. And it was only after I'd finished the card and was photographing it that I realised I've actually put this on a bit wonky. Usually I'm pretty good at getting my card front straight, but when I'm filming videos it can be a bit difficult because usually I like to look over the top, and if I do that my head's going to be in the way of the camera. So I thought I'd just share this mistake and show one possible way that you can correct it. And what I've done is I've just prepared another card base. I'm going to take my paper trimmer and I'm going to line up, usually I start from that sort of inside edge, and I'm lining up my, it's no use putting it up against the edge because otherwise we're just going to cut a mistake again. So I'm lining up that fresh freesia with the edge of the trimmer there, and I'm going to cut that away, and then I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on all four sides. So my fresh freesia is lined up with the edge of the grey just here. And I'm getting a very narrow margin. So get that lined up again. And a final time, because I know that I'd cut the card front straight in the first place, it was simply that I glued it on at an angle. And there we've got a rescued card front. Now I've also got an insert here, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing. It's going to make my card a little bit bulkier, but as it happened, I'd made this a very flat card in the first place, so that's not going to be a problem. And it just seems an awful shame to waste all of this. So this was actually on straight, so this time I'm just more bothered about getting it trimmed down just a little bit. And don't forget to keep a stock of blades in for your paper trimmer. We've got our celebration starting in January, and that's a great, oops, just move that. That's a great time to stock up on blades for your paper trimmer for the year and top up your order so that you'll get the celebration freebie. If you've not got a catalogue, then please get in touch. Right, so there we've got our insert as well. So all I'm going to do now is adhere these to the card front and the card inside. And I'm actually going to use a wet glue this time so that I've got a bit of wiggle room and can move it around if I put it on wonky again. So just make sure my card's opening the right way. And I decided to go with Blackberry Bliss on top of Blackberry Bliss, but you could have put this onto some fresh freesia. And I'm going to do the same thing on the inside. Like I say, makes it a little bit bulkier, but because I've gone for just a few layers on the one rhinestone gem on the front, I can just about get away with it. So pop that on the inside. And hopefully I've got these on straight this time, again, because I'm not able to look over quite right over the top. If I just stand up and check, that looks pretty straight to me. So that's one possible way that you can rescue a wonky card front with as little waste as we can get away with. So thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel below to see a quick tip every Friday and a quick card on a Monday. Thank you.